This is Malham Cove. Visited by over 100,000 people every year, only a handful of people complete the best route, Gordale Scar. Slippery, steep, and not for beginners. I struggled, nearly turned back, but the views in the end made it all worth it. The icing on the cake? A wild swim at the end. This is the best Malham Cove route. Before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. One cloudy Friday morning, I met my friend Adam and we set off for the small Yorkshire village of Malham. We parked in a small lay-by near Gordale Scar. This will be the start of our adventure. So here we are, Gordale Scar. Before long, I was at Gordale Scar. I've been here before a few times, and every time I'm amazed by the incredible cliffs I find myself surrounded by. The sheer size never gets old.
Them cliffs are just so cool and so high. I think they're 150 feet, I read. That is just crazy. Just look at these cliffs here, they're so interesting, just the texture of them. It's almost like a crystal in a way. It's just so large. I feel like an absolute midget stood here next to all these huge cliffs.
The difference this time is I'll be climbing up Gordale Scar. If you've done this before, comment down below and let me know how you managed. Fresh off my first grade 1 scramble, my confidence was at an all-time high for all of about 2 minutes.
It is 100% gonna be slippy up there. I think this could be difficult.
Slippy, steep surfaces with no clear route up meant this would be no easy task.
So that's looking out. It were a bit tricky to even get up that bit, I'll admit. It is slippy, I can't stress that enough. But here's the fall, and somewhere up here is the footpath. So we're just trying to work out, the route I've got says up the left of the waterfall, the main waterfall. That looks way too slippy. That looks pretty slippy and precarious, but the other way doesn't look much better either, so we're just going to go up and kind of see how we go.
It's really close, but I just don't think I can reach that. So I think I'm going to have to come back down. It's a bit too far. It's so close, but it's just...
Yeah. Don't try it if you don't,
I don't feel confident. I do not feel confident. I'm coming back down. After one failed attempt, I was going to turn back, but that wouldn't be the best Malham Cove route, would it?
Yeah, so I had to pass on that. It just looked a bit too risky.
After considering my options, I found another way that looked promising. So I gave it a go.
Left leg on there.
After several minutes of shaky legs and a bit of hesitation, I made it. Now time for Adam to get up. He tried the first route I failed.
So Adam's gone for this bit that I couldn't go for. He's using his long legs. Oh, he's got a foot in. He's looking good. Yep, there we go. Easy does it, easy does it.
I guess being 6'6" really does help out in some situations. First part completed. Now time for the second section.
Honestly, I was pretty nervous going up that bit, so I'll have to see how I do up this next bit. It looks so cool, there's that little bit there, just to hold the water coming through. And also, look at that tiny bit that is hanging on for dear life. There you go, there's the upper fall of Gordale Scar. Pretty cool. I think we're going to head up this way. Easier than that last bit down there. Holy smackaroonies. I am tired coming up there, Jesus. That is not easy. Coming up, you saw how big it was from the bottom. Pretty much at the top of it now, but definitely out of breath, so I'll have a little stop when we get up here.
That section was a lot easier. So easy, we decided to take a detour halfway back down.
We're taking a detour just so I can get on top of the waterfall. So I was just lowering myself down. I thought I'll just sit on this nice rock to help myself lower down. Straight away, wet surprise. Completely wet arse now. Not nice at all.
Enough time wasting, let's get back on track. Next up is Malham Tarn.
We are out of the valley. Wow, I'm out of breath after that. Look at this for a view. Just looking down there. That's incredible.
But standing between me and the Tarn is a 2-mile trek through sprawling green fields.
Nice one, mate. Nice one. Please don't fall. Perfect.
"30 minutes later, the Tarn was in sight.
Here we go. We are at Malham Tarn. So you can see it's pretty big. That's what she said.
The visit to Malham Tarn is a brief but very enjoyable section of the walk. Before long it was time to head down a beautiful valley that would lead the way to Malham Cove.
What a lovely view that is looking down there.
So here it is, Malham Cove. But firstly, time for some lunch because I was absolutely starving.
So there we go, this is going to be our lunch stop for the day. Pretty impressive. One of the best views in Yorkshire, maybe? Let me know if you know of any better views in Yorkshire.
Now it's time to actually explore Malham Cove.
Look at that. A drop off there, 300 feet. See them people all the way down in the bottom. But that right there is the main attraction, so we're going to walk across that now. Drop. Jesus.
Don't click off yet, there is still another waterfall to come. Janet's Foss.
There we go, pretty much at the bottom now. So we can see what it looks like all the way from the bottom, looking up. There you go, that is the height of it. Pretty bloody huge. There's a guy rock climbing up it just there. Girl, sorry, I just assumed gender. I apologise. There you go, that's the view from far away, and what an impressive location it is. If you've never been here, you're missing out. So get yourself to Yorkshire and see what it has to offer. On to Janet's Foss we go. So here we go, Janet's Foss. I'm only joking, that is not Janet's Foss. It's slightly bigger than that. If you fall off, you're definitely going to hurt yourself and like break an ankle, and I will not be getting any help for you. Alright, nice work. Now you got to come back. Oh, he's struggling already. I don't know if you're putting on a show here. If you fall, one, it's going in the video even if you get badly injured, and I'm not getting any help, so you're just going to have to walk back to the car. What are you doing? There we go. There we go, Janet's Foss, and that was like a freshly painted sign on the top. Lovely stuff. It's slippy coming up
I wasn't
here.
planning on swimming, but when I arrived there were already people swimming, and I didn't want to miss out. So you already know I had to go for a swim.
Maybe I should just jump in, there's other people going for it, but I'm not sure, to be honest. Whew. Oh. Bit chilly. Pretty cold. Pretty cold as well, though. Literally pretty cold. Elegant with it, isn't it? I'm not that elegant. I definitely can't do that. So there we go, as you can see, I decided to go for the swim. But that is going to be everything for this video. If you enjoyed the walk, drop a like, drop a sub. And if you want to see me get in a bit of a scary situation with some cows and go and see a castle on a hill, click the screen now.